In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a real account on Metatrader 5. First, you will need to load up the Metatrader 5 app, and it might look a little something like this. Now, you will need to select settings found in the bottom right corner, and from here you will see the option for new account as well as your current account, and if it's a demo account, you will be able to see it in the top right corner. Okay, so click on new account. Now, how this is gonna work, if you click on MetaQuotes Ltd, it is only going to give you an option for demo account. Register a new account is the thing that it's gonna say. However, if you use other brokers, such as Exness, for example, which we have here, then you will see the option register a new account, and you also have the option of using an existing account. And if you click on demo here, Exness UK demo, you will see Exness UK LP real. So that's going to be the real account. And if you have an account, like I said, you can log in with it here, or you can click on real account and apply using your information directly from within Metatrader 5. Now, like I said, this is not going to be available for all brokers. Exness has the option of opening a real account, and also FTMO Vantage, for example, here only also gives you the option of opening a demo account. But if you have a live account, then you can use it to sign into your live account. And that is pretty much how you create or open a Metatrader 5 live account or real account. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.